Okay, here we are in the garage, and William is going to open the door. We're going to see how much snow we got. Go ahead, Will. Yep. Holy smokes. I don't know if you can see how much. William, stand in front of the door here so we can see how much snow we got. It's up to William, bottom of William's coat. Alright, so William, now you measure it. While William's measuring it, we're going to look for the van. It's out there somewhere. I think that's it right there. Okay, go ahead, Will. Measure the snow. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the impression from the door is stuck into the snow. Alright, go ahead and measure.
I can see it.
How high is the snow?
I didn't put it up.
What number does that say?
23.
23. Oh, an inch short of a foot, but this is actually kind of lower here. I think we got 2 feet. Now we also need to get Cinder out here. Why don't you open the door, William, and bring Cinder out?
That one?
No, this door.
This one?
Yeah?
That's right.
Cinder!
Cinder!
Let's see what Cinder does. Oh boy, where am I gonna go pee? I gotta go pee. Hey man, where can I go? Oh, this isn't good, man. I gotta pee. Come on, guys. Get this open. Oh, snowing and I'm cold. I don't know what time it is because I can't tell time. Where you going, Cinder? I gotta pee.
Now watch this.
Alright, we cleared out the furnace, which was the intake for the furnace, which was buried. Cinder still hasn't peed, but what we've done is we've shoveled a little path for him. We found a little grass. Come on, Cinder.
And I keep spinning because
Come on, Cinder.
the snow doesn't.
You gotta go pee. Hurry, go. Go with William. Go find some grass and pee. Go on. No, he doesn't want to pee. But there goes William. He's shoveling away. Two feet of snow we got.
Ah.
All right, Cinder, come on.
Daddy!
Oh, Will.
Ow! Hey! I'll do it. I shoveled snow right
All right,
into
let's
me.
go see what the roads look like.
Dad! Why are you doing
Come on, Cinder. Come on.
I'm showing a little way through.
Come on, Cinder.
Cinder. Hey, Dad.
What?
Look at this road. Now look at the van.
Now, over by the front door is our bench, and it's buried.
Pretty much.
Cinder still won't come. Come on, Cinder.
Cinder. Stop.
Come on, Cinder. That's all right, Will. Come on, Cinder. Atta boy. Come on, Cinder. You're almost there. No, come, Cinder. Cinder.
Cinder. Cinder. Cinder. Come here.
Well, the governor has closed all of the roads, not just the highways. I think you can see why.
Ah, Daddy.
There's
The snow is
Mr.
kind of thick. Very
Sleazer.
thick.
The McGuires have cleared their driveway, but they have nowhere to go. Just snow. Snow everywhere. My country for some snow.
Oh my God.
There is a lot of snow up on the roof. 2 years ago I was going to get a roof rake and I thought, when are we going to ever have snow like this again?
Dad, look over there.
The wind is really blowing still. But I think it stopped snowing. trying to clear a path for Cinder so he can pee. Right, Will? William's being a good worker as usual.